should be doing that, ano, no? Yung live na may mga, yung, wait, nawala na. Yung nilalagay sa papel, tapos you're gonna put your name, you know? But instead, people donating me to write their name for them. Like, alam mo yun, you have to pay me first. No, I'll do it for free. Yeah, fan sign. Wait, let me do that. I don't think I have a... You're lucky. You're lucky. I have a... No. I have a paper. Thank Jesus for this tree. Ito yun. I don't think I have a... No. A marker. Wala akong marker. Jesus is on your side today. Because pumutok yata yung ano ko dito. I felt like that twitch. Okay. That happens most of the time for me. Yung, ito, gumaganon. Cause, it's not a seizure. It's not a tick. It's not. Ano lang siya. I be... Doggy. No. It's like driving. It's nangangalay. Gets ba? You know what? You don't get it. Wow. Okay, what's his name? Like...
Do you guys know where the donut is?
Is it gonna be ano? Invert? Kasi tignan mo. I will try.
Do you know where the donut is?
I don't know. Bumili pala. Wait, I don't know. Involuntary movement. Yes, it is. Like I'd be driving. Tapos, maganon. I'm Tristan. I have shitty handwriting. Ito na lang. Dito na lang. That is not even straight. Are you straight? Because if you are... Nah. Yeah, Tristan. But it's not thick enough. Nah, it's not. You know what? I'll be girly. And I'm gonna be like, you know what? You deserve a well-written fan sign. Wow, naging Pilipino ako dun. Written. Yeah. Hindi ko kaya ito. Yan. Oh, yan. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng... Ayan. You just invert it. I don't know. Invert it. Screenshot, screen record, and then invert my face. I don't care. You do the part. You know? Para-paraan lang. Just ka naman. Ako pa sige. I will try. Nah, I can't. I'd be acting like I can, but I can't. Sorry, that's just how it goes. Your favorite superhero? X-Men? Or Marvel? Or Justice League hero? Or a villain super... No. Ultimate superhero would be... Yung sa X-Men, si Jean. The Phoenix, yeah. Ah, wait, di mo na-capture. Ito. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay, tapos na. You're so slow. Slower than Ferrari. Hey, how are you? I am doing great. I'm doing great. And I'm doing great. Pet peeve? Sabi ng isa, pet peeve. Pet peeve? Sa lalaki. Sa lalaki. You're welcome, Tristan. Yung hindi marunong makisama. Yung parang, oh, hello, tita. Tapos yun lang. Wala nang iba. Parang, alam mo yun, no juice flavor. No flavor from that personality. Wala man lang, I really like your daughter. Or like, oh, kayo pala. Walang ganon. Walang bola-bola just to get my parents' attention. Their hearts. Pero wala. That's a turn off. Yeah. Wala na akong ano. You know what? Wala na akong kasi I wrote Tristan because to fulfill his wishes. That's just about it. See, I have ADHD, bruh. I'll just focus on here. I'll try to focus on one thing. Okay, I'm focusing right now. Wait. I can't. You know, with the popping up na yung sa mga live, join. Tinitignan ko kasi. That's a valid excuse. Oh, diba? Tumitingin din kayo eh. Yung mga, you guys have ADHD as well. Stop playing with me. Hella cute. What's that behind you? Behind me, I am holding someone hostage. You cannot. I'm legit holding someone in hostage. He just stays there. You know, when I play Valorant, I'll be like, stupid player, stupid. Like, I don't mean, GG's, easy, spam, easy. Oh, I'm humble. I'm sitting down. I am only silver 2. So please. And I'm playing against silver and gold people, so unpredictable moves. Okay lang. I can say easy because I'm playing with a lot of minors. Skill issues? I don't think so. Skill issues? I can probably one-tap you with a Guardian. Not gonna lie. Don't test me. Fave's gun skin in Val. Yung Araxis. The op skin. Yung Vandal no. Yung Vandal. And then for Phantom, it's Oni Phantom. And then the new one. The new bundle. Mystic Bloom. I really like that skin kasi it's very girly. Tapos, yung Sheriff, probably the Arcane one. Yung Arcane. Yung ginaganon. The new knife, probably Miss Bloom. Because it's like, it does this. Like, it does like this. It does that. Ow. I really like that knife. Pero kung walang Miss Bloom or something, the knife would probably be... Nah. Misty Bloom stays on top. Did you delete your channel or something? Outfit check. No. Why would I outfit check? Wag, no. Did you delete your channel? I did. Kasi... ang daming nag-ruin ng ng image ko in a way na they're gonna take that picture, they're gonna twist it, bop it, joke lang. They're taking my pictures and then sino-story nila sa stories nila, which is I take offense on that because that's my story and my eyebrows is doing that again. Yeah, there we go. See? Yeah. That's why I deleted the channel because really I could just yap in my dump account. Eh, you guys don't know my dump account. Ah, walang access. Ah, ikaw walang access. Ah, you don't know. Stay hidden. Oh, the attention span, lol. What? I am literally saying everything I can in a matter of minutes, bruh. 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 Wala na. Tatapon ko na tong Tristan na to, because you would actually... Yeah, bruh. Should be... You know, nag-live ako because I wanted to feel like I can then tell us the dump. No. I wanted to live because been quiet, been awfully quiet. So, yeah. You tagged me? Saan? Really? Wait, I can't see. Di ko makita. Wala, oh. Wala. You lie. You lie. Wala. As in, wala. What the fuck? Nah, dude, you're lying. You lie. Say abominable snowman twice. Abominable. Peh. Abominable snowman. Abominable snowman. Abominable snowman. Abominable snowman. Abominable snowman. Abominable snowman. I don't get it. Pero di ko alam kung lalabas, ha. Di naman tayo medyo kasi kung okay lang okay lang, ako lang. Then let me follow you. Let me follow you right now. Hold on. Leo uncheck. Unchecked. This you? Let me follow you, dog. Exemplis Pre Fortis. I requested. Don't leave me hanging, bruh. Dump reveal. Okay, I'll put you on my dump reveal. Ito yung dump ko. Oh, that got me scared. This is my dump. Yeah. But I can't. This is literally the private ano ko. Yeah, that's my private. Like, you really have to be deep in my skin to be ordered to accept na close kita. Ayun lang yun. Okay, I see. Oh! In-invert niya talaga. You took my advice. That's cute. That's cute. That's really cute. Wait, I'm reading. I have ADHD, bro. Please. People with ADHD don't say ADHD, bro. It just happens, like, literally right now. I want to what? I want to what? To what? Wait, I don't know. Follow request, Matt Benedict. You've proven yourself worthy a couple of times. When I was doing live, nandiyan ka. So, could be. I want to. What do you mean want? Di ko alam. Like this one as well. Fans. To be followed too. I'll say this. Someone record me. I will Okay. What's your opinion on Chinoys? Okay. First of all, Chinoys, they act business. Yung utak nila, business-minded sila. In a way that they will treat the relationship as business as well. You get it? If you don't get it, then why are you not? Like, hey, kamusta? Hi, hello. So, like, they will treat you as if you're an investment, which is maganda that they're invested to you, their time, their money, their money. Like, I don't joke, no, pero like they maputi. They're like very white, like whiter than this one. They're like this. I'm just speaking facts. You cannot see a Chinese guy with a full-blood Chinese guy to be dark, diba? I'm not being racist. They're just white, yellowish white. Tapos, they're smart. Tapos, yeah, they're smart. Unbelievably smart. Yeah, as in, really, when they talk, it's a turn on when they talk fluently when they're passionate about something. Like, kunwari, you'll be talking about this brush, and then they just do it with natural ease. Oh, bruh, marry me, bruh. Pero like, confident, confident na akong hindi ko nasasabihin. Kasi, I've been in love with a Chinese guy. So, yeah. Masakit sila makipag-break. Masakit sila. Like, they're very cold. They're cold. Like, pupunta ka sa Pilipinas to invade Filipinos. Tapos, malalandi ka ng Pilipina. And then you're just gonna be like, I don't like you anymore. I'm gonna drop you, bro. Like, get out of my land right now. Wait, hold on. They're too good in numbers. Legit, they are good with numbers. Punta ka Binondos sa kupin ng China. No, actually, Chinoys, they're good. Wait, tignan ko nga kung anong nanonood. They're good. It's just that they're good with numbers. Pero you have someone in mind, lol, we feel it. Ano yun? What is that? You see that? My brother just shouted. That's an ideal. Ideal na yun. Oh, the hell? Oh my god! Now you just figured out what it means. That they're good with numbers, pero they're like, yeah. I mean, if they can produce money, I mean, there's some surgery down there to help fix that problem. Pero yeah. Now you know why there's so many sex shops in Asia. No mods, please, no ban. I'm just speaking truth. It's my own space. I can say whatever I want. I say whatever I want. I do whatever I want. Money for fun. Oh, someone said, here. I have a bracelet. I don't wear bracelet. I don't wear necklaces because I have allergy for fake jewelries. I have allergies for fake jewelries. I cannot wear them. I can't stand them. But this one is the only jewelries I have, which is the diamond one and the silver. The silver one is 15 years old. I used to wear it in my thumb because that's the biggest part. Now it doesn't fit anymore. I put it here in my ring finger. And now I have this diamond one. I put it right here. Yeah. So, kasi there's this dude who gave me this one. And I was like, oh my god, wow, nice. He knows that I don't wear earrings, I don't wear necklaces, and then he gave me this one. And it's fake. I'm not saying that you should give me original ones. I appreciate you giving me a jewelry, but like it's fake. So I tried to wear it. Nakaganyan, or like, nakaganyan. Yung acid ng body ko, my pH level is very high. Acidic ako. So yung metals nito, it doesn't mix well with my skin. So nagkakaroon ng green stain yung skin ko. And yeah, I'm just glad na, oh, you thought of it. Na you gave me one. Oh, nice. Pero respectfully, I'm not gonna wear it because I am allergic. Tapos, I had a mass. You can still see the scars. May scars dyan. I used to wear fake jewelries na earrings kasi I couldn't afford a real one. Eh, may mga nagbebenta sa bazaar na there's like 200. That's expensive. That 200. Tapos I'd be like, I buy them, and then hula, and then I wear it, and it's nice. But I don't wear it kasi allergic na ako. What I'm planning to buy next, necklace. Pero the only jewelries I have is this one and this one. And this one says, it says pray, like pray. Yeah, it says pray. Yeah, you gotta pray, even when it's not, kahit, if it says pray, you don't even know if I'm Christian, Catholic, or Muslim, but just pray. It helps. It really helps. If I'm alone, yeah, or like, someone's listening me, and I just love to pray, talking to myself. Not schizophrenic. I'm not schizo, but like I like to pray. Mind. What do you call that? What do you call that? Yung parang gumaganon ka lang. Like you're in the zone. Zen. Hola, señorita. Hi. Dubai? Dubai what? Dubai. I don't get it. Oh, meditate. Yeah, meditate. Yeah, thank you. You just take the words out of my mouth. Good shit. Ano yung good shit? Good shit. Alam mo, pangalan yata na ito Dave eh. Dakatana Dave yata. What's your opinion on the newly living RP? Honestly, I don't really speak for Red Bull. They have their own opinions. I'm only a McLaren and Ferrari and a Mercedes fan. Irish Jewel. Hi. I feel like I've known Irish Jewel dun sa parang it. I heard the name Irish with my ex. Yeah, I feel like I've heard Irish yung sa ex ko. Jesus Christ is the Lord Savior, hero, and the one true Master. May God bless you, my sister in Christ. Thank you. Hi, Abby. Do I know you? I feel like I know you. Feeling ko magkaklase kayo ng ex ko dati. Are you Wait. I might buy you a Merc shirt. Or a McLaren shirt. Yes. Oh! Say hello to this girl who is a classmate ng ex ko, si Irish Jewel 25. I don't wanna talk shit about... I don't wanna, ano. Ay! Oh my god! Please! I don't like... I don't like talking about him, bro. Nakita mo ba yung bago niya? Sheesh. I mean...
Why was 6 afraid of 9?
I don't wanna talk.
Nope.
She's pretty.
Why was
She's
6 afraid of
pretty.
9?
You know, Irish pretty siya, diba? Kasi like pretty, you know. Vet student, vet. Yeah, they
Because 9, 8, 7.
wait.
Shut up, Zachary, I said it.
I am
What is man in the world? What do you want?
I am good today. See that? I pray. I don't wanna roast people. Pero maybe today, God will you let me? Okay, I spill the tea. Should I spill the tea? I will spill tea on him. He owns a milk tea shop. He owns a milk tea shop. Pangalan ng milk tea shop nila is the Robinson milk tea shop. Spill the tea.
Okay, I have another joke.
I'll spill tea on him.
Why is 6
Don't hold yourself. Spill the shit. Ha 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 ha. Tea. Yo, I love tea. Okay, so this ex of mine, we go way back. Okay. We go way back. 2016. We go way back. So, we're literally minors in love. Like, alam mo yun? Shout out sa best friend ko. No! Max, it's not him. It's from GCA. Si GCA. Okay? It's not about, you know who. Just to be clear, I'm not talking shit about that person. Okay, so we go way back around 2016. And then, high school romance, yeah, puppy love. And then, I was older, pero yung grade niya was a little bit higher than mine. Tapos, ayun. And, fast forward tayo, we parang naging cold na kami. Ngayon. And then, he went to LaSalle. He was a veterinarian student, a vet student. And then, they had this dorm thingy na may kasamang babae. So, I'm like, magdo-dorm ka with a bunch of your classmates who's a girl, you know. I'm not saying, could be, you know, if Irish is watching right now, it's matagal na yun. Don't hate me for it if kasama ka rin. So, he was like, having a dorm, tapos, with a girl, that I'm very uncomfy. Yeah, very uncomfy. Like, who goes on a dorm like, ma, you know, yo, mamas, I'm gonna be with my university right now, but the university takes 2 hours to get there, so I'm gonna be like, have a dorm right now, but then I can't afford the full price of the dorm, so I'm gonna be sharing with my peeps, and that peeps is, girls. So I don't like it. Parang I don't like it. Like, alam mo yun? Very conservative. Very conservative akong tao when it comes to people sa house. Kasi, you don't know if that girl is walking around the dorm with no bra, you know, free the tits, you know. But like, there's nothing wrong with freeing the tits. But like, alam mo yun, in front of my ex-boyfriend, you're wearing nothing. Doesn't sit right with me. Pero I let him go. Tapos, nagkaroon kami ng open relationship na parang, you know what? I don't like you anymore. So, I'm a date people. I'm a date some person. So, I did that. And then, yeah, we ended things. And now, he was like, oh, I love this girl. She's like my batchmate. She's like a classmate. Blah, 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 yippee, yappa. And then, they're together. Together pa rin sila. And I wish them the best. But then the girl was like, why are you still connected to his family, bruh? So I was like, kasi we go way back, you know? They're my friends. His dad follows me. His kuya follows me. I unfollowed her sister because she's acting like a bitch. And then, yeah. Tapos sinasabi ng girl, bakit niya fina-follow yung Robinson Milk Tea Shop, bruh? Do you want support or nah? I'm just saying, you know, if you want support, then I should follow with no any feelings, you know. Yeah. But yeah, they're still together, studying vet. They are... I feel like someone's recording me right now. Feeling ko talaga, like, fuck you. Like, fuck you sa God. Feeling ko may nagre-record neto. And I don't care. Hi. I'm alive and well. If someone's recording, I really... See you in court. Bro just got revenge by raising his family members. Yo, actually, his father liked my live. I liked my picture nung naka-bikini ako. Wild. I was half naked, not gonna lie. I know what I was doing. I was half naked. I was not gonna post that picture if I wasn't. You know, I was attracting cash grab because I have monetization na I post and then I get money out of it. And then obviously you can't get money without showing a little skin. So it's just wild. Na his dad. Pero yeah. Yeah, but it's fine, you know. Wala na kami. Wala na siyang kwento mo yung isa sa idol ko. Kwento mo nga yung isa sa idol ko, Joe. Nah. But the other ones, wag na yung isa. Kasi yung isa, feeling ko, we go deep. Not way back. We go deep. Nah, pero he's my ex eh. He's my ex now. So, I love people who adds me on their Life 360. I like it. I'm that obsessive. Like, alam mo yun, like, I'll be just scrolling to my phone and I'm like, I know where you are. No, actually, no. How many exes have you had? 2? I have 2. The one with the FE, yung na pumunta ng Lasal. And then, yung isa, yeah, talaga bro. It damaged me. This one damaged me so much. 10 inches deep. It's not even 10 inches deep, bro. It was just only 5 inch. Only Parang you guys are so... You're acting like, what? She just said that? Oh my god! Bruh. Ba't nakaback you? Wild. How did you cope dun sa second breakup? Nag-work ako. I got money. Kasi he was earning money from a dirty business. Fraud. Parang fraud siya. Ginagawa niya yung fraud. And then, he was earning about... he's a guy. I respect him, like, with his earnings. Pero, he was earning a lot. Pero, hindi niya ako dinidate. Hindi niya ako... He doesn't treat me. He doesn't... Wala, as in wala. When we go date, ako pa yung nagda-drive sa kanya. Ako pa yung nagbibili ng pagkain. Ako yung... I spoil him, even though he makes more money, pero there's just one time that he bought me a Vandal skin. And then, pero, like, I'm not doing your best friend dirty, bruh. I'm not doing your best friend dirty. It's just that I don't want to disclose a person's wealth. But, he did me dirty then. But I'm not gonna go that low kasi, yeah, minahal ko yung tao so. Yeah. Pero pag siya, bibili siya ng sarili niya, he'd go to the max. He'd really buy something for him, like, practical. Kunwari, nasira yung earphones niya, yung earpods, he'd buy it, or like, nasira yung phone niya, bibili siya. So, it's all about himself. Miss mo, no? Slight, pero nah. He's better off without me. Kasi I'm very emotional. Sobrang emotional ko. I cry, bro. I really cry. Like, ganun. And then I'd be like, it's your fault, it's your fault, it's your fault. Yeah. Pero the thing about him is that hindi niya ako sinigawan. He doesn't shout at me. He's very, what do you call, reserved. Ganyan yung iyak. Paano iyak? Yapa. So, yeah. Enough about my exes, bro. Enough about them. Yeah. Pera o lalaki? Siyempre, pera. Anong gagawin ko sa lalaki? Anong gagawin ko sa lalaki, bro? Like, what do you want me to do with men? Of course, money. Even without a guy, I choose money. Lalaki may pera? Nope. May pera nga siya. Yung ex ko nga, may pera nga siya. Pero, like, he's really earning that much. Pero, I'm still paying for our date. Imagine that. Lalaki may pera. Fuck off. But, I don't wanna hate on him. Pero kanina talaga, I'm gonna get cancelled if someone screen record this. Tapos, makikita ko na lang sarili ko na, Abby, you talk shit about me. Papa. You did me dirty. I'll see you in court. Pera lover pala si Idol. Pera lover pala si Idol. Of course! It's so fulfilling to have that experience financially stable. Gusto mo hindi ka maging financially stable, then that's really sad. You know? You're only for fun. No money for fun. How can you buy something you want kung you're not gonna, I'm a money lover. Use it for a good cause. Kasi people are buying vape. Bruh. I'm sorry if you vape. I don't like vaping. That just shit got me killed twice. Damn. I want to be financially stable. Yeah, dude, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah, dude, money. Yeah, bro, sabi pera money. But you make it sound like it's negative. I don't want to rely on my parents on allowance. It's just sad, you know? It's just sad to, like, maping ako pera. Pero sa Instagram, gangster! Tapos wala palang pera. No? Maping yung pera. Ah! Ah! Oh my God! Imagine that! Gangster ka sa social media pero sasabihin mo, maping yung pera. Sit down. I'm just like you, but the earnings I made is for tuition. Good. Money. Mga gangster, anong ulam? There's just some people I know na they have grills. They have those diamond grills, but like, you know where that money came from. You just know. Well, I really gotta go. It's a minute left. There is a time limit on having going live, so I have to go now. Like literally, see that? Made time remaining. Yeah, so there's time remaining. It was fun. I guess money can buy happiness now in some ways. Yes, it is. I love money. But I gotta go. Where will you live again? Soon? I don't know. I just live to make myself feel better because I'm sad. Kanina pa. So, I just wanted to talk to you guys. So, yeah. Ma, anong ulam? Yeah. So, it's pretty much fun hanging out. We need assurance. I will live when I feel like it, but rest assured I'll do live again. So, bye.